Good afternoon, class 8, science, unit 16, living beings. Question number 3, state scientific reasons. Number A virus is an obligatory parasite. A virus is an obligatory parasite as means because it needs a host body to grow and multiply. Multiply means reproduce. Number B, a virus is a chain between living and non-living things. Means it shows dual characters, some living characters and some non-living characters. A virus spreads diseases, multiplies in a host body and can be transmitted, so it is a living organism. A virus has no cellular structure. It does not respire and ingest food. It can be crystallized and stored like a crystal for a long time without destroying its properties or characters. So it is a non-living thing. So it shows both living characters and non-living characters. Question number 4. Name some diseases spread by bacteria. Means bacteria are harmful. How are they useful or advantageous? There are some advantages and disadvantages of bacteria. See, first, disadvantages. Some diseases spread or transmitted by bacteria are cholera, typhoid, diarrhea, pneumonia, tooth decay, tuberculosis. Again, some diseases spread by bacteria are cholera, 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 typhoid, typhoid, diarrhea, diarrhoea, diarrhea, pneumonia, 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 tooth decay, tuberculosis, TB in short form. Advantages of bacteria. Many bacteria are very useful to all living organisms. Number I, it changes milk into curd. Here it means lactobacillus bacteria. Only lactobacillus bacteria change milk into curd. दूध दही बनाउने lactobacillus bacteria. Number 2, it helps in the nitrogen cycle. The whole nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen is 78%. The atmospheric nitrogen is changed into other compounds with the help of different types of bacteria like nitrate bacteria, nitrite bacteria, nitrifying bacteria, denitrifying bacteria, saprophytic bacteria, etc. There are different types of bacteria in the atmosphere and especially in soil. It makes protein, which is a main part of a balanced diet. Question number 5. Distinguish between A. Pollination and fertilization. Number A. Pollination, paraxation, fertilization, garbhadan. Pollination. Number I. It is the transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma. Means male to female. I. Fertilization. I. It is the fusion or combination of male gametes and female gametes. It is the cause of fertilization. It is an effect of pollination. Number 2. It is short, fast and simple. Fruits and seeds are not formed. It occurs only in phanerogames or flowering plants. Number II. It is long, slow and complex. Fruits and seeds are formed. It is a complex process. It occurs both in higher plants and higher animals. Number B. Monocot plant means monocotyledonous plant and dicotyledonous plant. Monocot plant. I. The seed has a single cotyledon, only one seedling. The seed has two cotyledons or two seed leaves. Number II, monocot. It has parallel venation and fibrous root system. Example, maize, wheat, barley, millet, etc. It has reticulate or net-like venation and taproot system. The taproot is divided into primary, secondary and tertiary root. Just with the help of the root and with the help of leaves, we can easily find out which is monocot and which is dicot. Example, pea, gram, soybean, bean, mango, etc. Here, to distinguish, the leaves have parallel venation, the roots are fibrous. The leaves have reticulate or net-like venation and the roots are taproot. Question number 6. Write full forms of the following terms. AIDS, AIDS, TMB, RNA, DNA, AIDS, ACQUIRED, acquired, IMMUNE, immune, DEFICIENCY, deficiency, SYNDROM, syndrome. Acquired immune deficiency syndrome. TMV, tobacco mosaic virus. TOBACCO, tobacco, mosaic, 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 virus, virus. TMV, tobacco